Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually had already recorded all this earlier when there was better sunlight, and I accidentally deleted my video when I was trying to upload it to my computer. So here we are again. I had recorded a cool little intro, my hair was done different and all this other stuff, and I also had actually unboxed the Boxycharm box on camera, so the effect probably won't be exactly the same, but I still wanted to show you what I received. I had shown some favorites from the past on the other video that I did. I'm not going to do that because my battery's going to die and I don't want it to get dark. So for those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month, and they send you 4 to 5 full-size products. This is the 4th month that I received it. It comes in a little box like this. Open it up. It says that on there, and then it comes pretty protected with this little spongy stuff on the inside, and then obviously your stuff comes in here. So that's what the box looks like. Let me quickly go through what I received, and if we have time before my battery dies, I'll show you some of the other stuff. So what Boxycharm does is they have a theme as well, and their theme for this month is called Eye Candy. And so they send you a little card. This is actually new. Before it was just like a little postcard. Now it's actually like a little booklet, and it tells you what each product is and what the MSRP of the product is. So I'm going to start off with the first item on the booklet, and it's the Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlight. Are my neighbors singing? Anyways, so it looks like this, and this is in the color Stunner. So this is a glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. MSRP $29. So this little tube is $29, and that in itself already has paid for the subscription, considering that the box is $21, $29. Boom, it's already paid, and that's just one item. The next item is actually the biggest item that I was waiting for. They collaborated with Colourpop, and they were going to send 1 out of 5 palettes to everyone. And I got this one. This is the My Little Pony palette by Colourpop. And it doesn't have a mirror or anything like that, but those are the colors on the palette. They're really pretty. I did swatch some of them in the other video, but for the sake of conserving my battery, I'm not going to swatch them in this video. I also got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction mask. So it's in a container like this, and this is a 1 ounce tube, and this is saying that this is $47. I kind of do believe that. They had already sent me a Dr. Brandt's product. They had sent me a luminizing primer, and this stuff is really good. I got this in, I think this was in my first box. I'm not sure, but this is a really good primer, so I do like that brand. And now I get to try the vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask from them. So I do believe this is $47. So again, this is just 3 items so far, and it's already way past the price of the box. The next item is the Eyebrow Gel Instant Tinted Eyebrow Gel. So that is this one right here. Now this is supposed to be tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural filler to their brows. So it's like a little mascara tube, like that, and if you look really close, you can actually see some of the fibers on there. That's supposed to help it make it look more of a natural brow. And this is in the color, it says light hair, so that's not really going to work for me much, but I'll give it a try to see what it does to my actual eyebrows. I don't have a lot of natural eyebrow hair because it doesn't grow anymore, but whatever I do have, I'll definitely try out, see what it does for me. So I got that. And the last item that I got is by Adesi High Definition Liquid Lipstick. It's $24. and it is right here. So this is the color. I have a hair on my face somewhere. No. So this is the lipstick, and it's a pretty color. I've never heard of this brand before. Adesse, A-D-E-S-S-E. This smells really good, and I had shown it in the other video what the color was. This is like my perfect nude color. Look at that. It's really pretty. So that's all that came in the box. Oh, I got that all right thing. So $21 is not bad, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. This thing's really annoying. 4 to 5 full-size products, and like I said, this is the 4th month that I received the box, and so far I do like it a lot. I do like it better than I did the Ipsy subscription, only because I felt like Ipsy didn't really cater to what I wanted. I kept redoing those tests, and I kept getting the same kind of crap over and over again, and it just got really irritating. I know that one's only $10 a month. This one's twice as much, but the products so far have been a lot better. So let me show you quickly some of the stuff that I've gotten in the past from Boxycharm that I really, really liked. They collaborated with Pure. They collaborate with them a lot, I feel. And they sent this palette over. It's a really nice palette. So as you can see, this is a pretty decent sized palette that was included in the box. They had also sent a bronzer, blush, and highlight trio. Look how big those pans are. And these are really pretty. I've used the blush plenty of times. This highlight is super, super intense. And this bronzer, it looks a little shimmery in here, but once you blend it out with a brush, it looks really good. So they sent that. I already showed you the primer that I've gotten. Some of these other palettes that I've gotten with them. This is a Crown Brush Glam Metals palette. I believe this was the first palette that I received in the month of January, because that's when I got my first box. And these things are really, really pigmented, and they're really easy to apply. Like, I used that on my lid today. I used this gold one right here, and I did it with my finger, and it comes out really good. And then if you use your brush, if you wet your brush and use it, it's like super, super intense and pigmented, metallic almost. And then they also sent in a different box this Naked Cosmetics palette, and this is a highlighting palette, and these are all like really pretty, kind of like not metallic, pastel. Wow, it's been a long day. Pastel colors, and they are pretty true to the colors that's shown here is what it's going to show up on your face. So this is probably not like for everyday use unless you're into that kind of stuff. So I really haven't really dipped into this. I have used these two colors right here, and it does look pink, and it looks really pretty. Like when you turn your face, you know, in the sun, you can actually see the shade of the highlight, and it's really pigmented. They're really pretty, but I mean, this is not something that I would wear every day, but still, this is a nice little palette there. And the one last thing I did want to talk about is this mascara that came in my box. I believe it was last month. This is by Butter London, and it's called Double Decker Lashes. This mascara actually does make my lashes look really long, and I feel like it does hold the curl. As a matter of fact, when I went to Generation Beauty, they were applying these lashes on me, and the girl asked me if I was already wearing lashes, and I was like, no, these are my lashes. And she's like, wow, she's like, they're really long. And I told her it's the mascara. I just couldn't remember what it was called. But if you're watching, girl, which I doubt, but if you are, Butter London, and like I said, it's a full-size product. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry it was a really rushed video. Again, I had already recorded this earlier, and it was a more lengthier, more descriptive video, but I accidentally deleted my video, and I had to re-record before I lost natural light and before my battery died out. I try to charge it as much as possible before I started doing this again. I had my hair off to the side. It was looking cute. I was looking festive because it's Coachella this weekend, so I was like into the whole festival thing. So I was wearing these little, you know, festival boho chic type thing, and then I had my hair to the side in a braid, and I had to redo the video. So again, I apologize, but thank you guys so much for watching. I think I'm going to continue doing some of these unboxing videos. I have a really fun time doing these videos. Again, it was a first time opening when I did it earlier, so I was really like, oh my gosh, like this is so cool. I know this is a little more unenthusiastic, and I do apologize, but I am working on getting some material to better my film recording experience for me, and then for you, the viewers, to watch and, you know, be able to focus in when I do videos. I was kind of thinking maybe of doing a get ready with me with my Boxycharm products, but I haven't received a lot of stuff where I can actually just do a full look with it. But maybe I'll mix and match some things in there and do a get ready with me with those products, so you can see how those products work. And then also, again, I'm trying to figure out how backdrops are going to work. I bought this yesterday. I have another one that I'm thinking about using, so I'm getting there little by little, step by step, upping up my game, because I want you guys to have a great experience when you watch this face. So I'm working on it, and yeah, I think that's it. So again, I hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe, leave your comments down below, let me know what you want to watch. Also, before I forget, my Instagram, if you do follow me on Instagram, my name has changed. I will pop it in somewhere on the screen around here. I'll pop it in for you so you can see what the new name is. It's the same page, just I changed my name so I can reflect more of what I'm trying to do. Is I feel like I'm doing a little mixture of makeup, beauty, and a little bit of fashion in between. I've really gotten into the whole photography thing, and I took some pictures of my sister-in-law. I used her as my model, and I have posted some of those pictures on my page if you want to check them out. I'm very proud of them. I think they came out really good, and she had a great time, and so did I. I had a great time doing it, so I kind of want to continue to do some more of that stuff. So head on over to my Instagram page so you can check out some of those pictures and some of my other stuff that I've been doing. And if you have any ideas, hit me up on Instagram or hit me up here, or wherever you guys want. Also, if you have Vero, I'm on Vero, and I will link that somewhere as well. I'll put it up here somewhere. And Snapchat, and that's pretty much it. That is it. Again, thank you for watching, and I'm so sorry it was rushed, and I'm sorry if it's not even, but I set it up myself this time, and I try to hurry up for you guys, so I'm sorry. I'm such a failure. But thanks for sticking around. I'll talk to you guys next time.